RIZWAN Ahmed. I graduated here from 2003 to 2007, passed out from computer science department, pretty much your department. I was here last year. People remember me from last year? Yeah, great. What did I talk about last year? For those of you who have a memory? Emerging technologies, right? So we talked about that. And one of the emerging technologies that everyone's excited about, the whole world is excited about, is artificial intelligence. Not blockchain, dude. Blockchain is all, we are in the winter still. Okay? So this year, because I came last year, some of you reached out to me on LinkedIn. Some of you are being mentored by me, and hopefully they probably will do well. Some of you want to get mentored by me, so you all have reached, at LinkedIn. And I'm really excited to be working with you all. This year I've come back again on a personal trip, but I'm spending 2 days now with you, and I'm trying to teach one of your academic papers, AI, ethics, and ethics in AI, right? And robotics. So the robotics is another topic that probably ma'am would cover. I've been here with you 2 days. This is my second day, okay? And of course, a lot of interesting conversations. Maybe I can ask some key takeaways. What did you guys learn that you did not know from before in the past 48 hours? Who wants to go? Anyone? Bali, of course. Now everybody liked Bali, I guess. Right? All the trends on AI. Which one would be your favorite? I think I asked the question yesterday. Some of you said Bali, some of you said Tulu. Who said Tulu? Right? Tulu, right? Why did you like Tulu?
It's
Sit.
we can save cash with it. We don't have to buy.
You don't have to actually buy the product. You can actually use the good as a service. Absolutely. Yes. Yes, someone else from the girls.
We can easily rent it. If we don't like it, we can return it to them.
Precisely, right? While AI is great, we said AI has its own pitfalls. We talked about the societal harm that it could do. We talked about the legal governance of it, the environment aspects of it, the psychology of human being. And now we are almost at the last topic, which is trust. The trust factor has to come in, right? Irrespective of which industry, it comes in, which, at what factors, or criteria that it comes in, you have to go ahead and have that trust relationship with the product to go ahead and complete it. With trust comes fairness, right? A few years ago, people in Houston, in Texas, right? If you score the staff based on it, but the teachers then went back and said, it's not a fair assessment of what was happened, because the sample questions that was given was not to the right audience.